afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video weekend edition for March 13th, 2017, the Daylight Savings Times edition. I'm so excited about Daylight Savings Time or the non-Daylight Saving Time. I never know which one it is. All I know is that I'll be able to enjoy the sunlight a lot longer after I'm done with videos, after I'm done looking at all my research. I'll have time to play outside. So just to let you know today, ES is up 525, NASDAQ up 16. You had the Russell up only 280. At one time it was up 12. You had the bonds up 5. The notes up fractionally. You have the industrials up 44. That's a real surprise. SPX up about 7. Transport's finally having a good day, up 81. It's about time. Not led by the airlines. This is more like a railroad kind of idea in here. Yeah, crude oil down again, down 90 cents. Unbelievable. We've been calling for crude oil to go down. Not like I'm Mr. Futures genius in here. I'm just saying that when you watch the individual stocks go down, like you see APA just cascade down and oil sitting up, that's a bad omen in there, and that's exactly what happened. In fact, I'm going to show you something that looks similar to this and what I'm expecting in the overall market. By the end of the day, advanced decline up about 1,000 in here. Really not any kind of trend. UVXY down again. That's a real surprise. Getting close to where it has to do another reverse split. Nikkei up 160. German DAX unchanged. Dow Jones China unchanged. So where does this get us? Well, the first thing I want to show you, see this chart on the daily on the crude oil? I can't tell you how many people like the Doug Cass of the world are talking about the ES is crashing in here or being in a correction. This is how it usually starts. Exactly what I showed you with crude oil. You have a rally and rally. You then get under it. And then it's like a super tanker. I'm terrible at drawing. That's a ship. Sorry about that. My wife's the artist. I cannot draw anything, not even a stick person. The idea is these then worked itself under the ATR trailing stop for a while there were certain things within the index diverging. Put the crude oil on the left again. Daily chart looks like that, and on the right, you have the stocks within it. As this stopped its momentum up, the individual stocks are falling apart. That's how it's going to stop in the ESs. Is you're going to get individual groups, whether it's the banks, the airlines within the S&P falling apart while this just sits here under the ATR trailing stop. We're not there yet. We might be close, but we're not there. So I'm going to be watching that very carefully. On the premium side, we're going to be talking all about what kind of stocks I'm going to want to trade next week into the Fed meeting. To let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial, which includes the chat room in the morning. Premium video, like I mentioned, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. The email alerts. Every morning I try to have 6 stock ideas, 6 chart ideas. We have a forum, a message board type of way to communicate with us, and a meetup. We've been doing a whole video series on training your brain. Every other week, I've done a 15-minute to hour just interactive chat on all these things to learn feel. Next week, intraday relative strength. So I hope you could join us and join the 30-day trial for $7, and you get all these in here. Once you get these videos, it goes in a meetup, a learning center, and you get all these videos free with your subscription. So enjoy your weekend. Look forward to talking to you Monday. Have a great one.